If you'd bear with me, I'm going to redo this video to try to get a better sound throughout the recording. So this is going to be a brief supplement to segment 6e, intended to clarify a few points. The Trinitarian life in theta intrinsically involves active and passive esse ad. So let's just review this since we didn't dwell on the matter last time around. As we've stated, the 6 esse ad in theta establish that each esse in, akin to each person in the Blessed Trinity, is the coming together of two esse ad from two distinct relations, out of three real ones in the one Godhead, namely R sub 1, R sub 2, and R sub 3. And that's the reason why we don't have R sub naught in this case. So you can actually visualize this quite well on the board. Fatherhood, R sub 1, is actively sourcing sonship R sub 2, while sonship R sub 2 is as such generated as a passive esse ad. Fatherhood R sub 1 is actively sourcing passive spiration R sub 3, while passive spiration R sub 3 is as such spirated as a passive esse ad by definition. And so likewise, R sub 2 sonship relative to R sub 3 passive spiration, which it actively sources with R sub 1 fatherhood. So what this implies is that each person in the Blessed Trinity is akin to an esse in, eternally established as the terminus ad quem of two esse ad, themselves akin to the other two divine persons. Hence, the three passive esse ad mirror the three active ones: 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. Finally, the eternal commutation of 6 esse ad, both active and passive, and their implication as to each esse in, each hypostasis or person, also establishes the truth of the doctrine of the Filioque and from the Son, namely that R sub 3 must proceed from both R sub 1 and R sub 2. The esse ad and esse in distinction in theta is indeed implicit to the Trinitarian Circumincession, namely the reciprocal circulation and indwelling of the three persons in theta, the one Godhead.